Hi people, welcome to my blog. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how I make money from Google and how you can make money from Google legitimately. Now before I proceed, please kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications button so that every time I make a new post, it sends you a notification that a new post is up, and I'll be uploading videos like this every other week. We must make this money together. Now let's get into it. Last week, I got payment from Google, and content creators like me and many other people every other month on the 21st, Google pay most of their affiliates. And I thought it would be nice to actually share some of this information with people because I feel this information would help a lot of people. If you want me to be doing something like this every other week, please kindly drop a comment in the comment section below, because if I don't get a lot of comments or views or likes, that means what that means is this: you guys are not interested in this. So I'll just basically stick to my travel videos and my lifestyle videos and the likes. But if you feel you want me to also be doing something like this every week, then you have to share with people. And if you feel there is anybody that needs to see this, please kindly share with them. Also, if you have any questions, inquiries, drop it in the comment section below. Trust me, I'm going to respond to every question. You can also send me an email. My emails are always in the description box. Also, you can reach out to me on all my social media. Please also follow me on social media. Come on, it's a social world, so you guys should follow me on social media. I'll be dropping all my social media links. And also, if you watch this video to the very end, I'll be dropping some tips, some personal stuff that would help you in your online journey. So I hope you're going to watch it to the end, or it could be somewhere in the middle. So just to make sure that you catch every bit of this video, I'll be very explicit. The first method is through what they call the Google Adsense. Now, with Google Adsense, content creators all over the world can earn money by just displaying adverts on their website. It's that simple. Before you can do this, you need a blog. There are different platforms to create a blog. Some are free, while others are paid for. Most popular ones are the Blogger and WordPress, and they are both free, but there's still a premium version. I would always advise you to go for the premium version. It makes you look like a serious blogger. So to get started, kindly visit wordpress.com or wordpress.org. Also, you can also visit blogger.com. You can create a website on the go. Now, the second method is to start a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube is also owned by Google, just like what I'm doing right now. So I would advise you to subscribe to this channel. So now, just like this, you can just go on YouTube, create a channel, and you can start making videos. Doesn't matter the kind of stuff you want to talk about, there are always people ready to listen to you or to watch you. But at first, you can look out for what people are actually interested in. For example, if you have information about the entertainment industry, you can just start talking about it. If you're very vast in terms of the health sector, you can talk about that. If you're good in just think of anything you're good at, then you can start doing videos around it. And once you get to 1,000 mark and 4,000 watch hours, you can start monetizing your YouTube page. But the most important thing is for you to start. So once you start, you can start promoting your videos, share it to your friends and family. And if your content makes sense and people are actually benefiting from your content, people automatically start subscribing to your channel. The third one is to build an app and put it on App Store. Now, if you're IT savvy, if you're good at building apps or creating apps, or you can even start learning how to do this. So once you successfully build an app, you can upload it on Google App and you can monetize it, just like some of the apps we use these days. So once you upload on Google App, so you can have different ways to monetize that app. And this is for more of the tech people. So if you're a tech person, you can build an app and upload it. And if you're not a tech person and you have the money to invest, you can actually get someone to build an app for you, upload it, and you can start monetizing it on Google App Store. So that's the third way to monetize, to earn money through Google. Now, the fourth way is pretty simple. Google has several platforms that allows you to, do a lot of things. Like they have the Google Map, they have the G Suite, they have the Gmail, they have the YouTube, they have a lot, like over 100 products. And for some of these products, they are premium. And Google allows you to actually advertise for them and earn commission, which is more like affiliate marketing. So then the fourth one is the affiliate marketing. There are Google products that offers affiliate commission. That way, every time someone buys that product or subscribe to that particular product, or the subscription through your link, you get a one-time payment. For example, the G Suite. The G Suite has several products under it. So once someone subscribes to that particular service through your link, Google gives you a one-time payment. So let's assume Google is offering like 10 or 20% on every sale. What that means is this: for every sale, you get like about $20 to $40, and that's exactly how it works. But I'm not saying that is how much Google Suite is paying. But however, what I'm saying is this: you get a commission, a one-time commission off every sale. Now that's the fourth way to earn money through Google. Now the fifth way, the internet is going global, and it's almost like Google owns more than half of the internet. The reason I say that is because there's nothing you're doing that you would not use a Google product. Like if you're searching, you're using Google. If you're listening, if you're watching a movie or a tutorial on YouTube, you're still using a Google product. So what that means is this: Google has a lot of impact. And the only way to be seen right now is being visible on Google. And you can actually start helping people to, advertise or take their businesses online, because Google have My Business Online, where you can, advertise your business. You can put your business out there. So what you can do is this: you can now start helping people to put their businesses online. You can charge them. Let's assume in Nigeria right now, you can meet someone and say, "What? I'll help you put your business on Google." I'm sure people will be willing to do that. Now imagine you are doing that for like 5,000 naira or even 2,000 naira per business listing. It doesn't cost you anything. So now if you're doing it for like 2,000, 5,000, and you're doing it for like 50 people monthly, that is, if you're doing it for 2,000, that's like 100,000 naira in a month. If you're doing it for 5,000, that's like, I'm sure you already did the calculation, right? And that's exactly, it's so simple. All you just have to do is to help people get online presence through Google. So now that's the fifth way to make money on Google. So for the people that watch this to the end, now just send me a message. Follow me on my social media. Send me a message that you would like to be part of my free training. I will know that you really watched this to the end. So just send me a message on Instagram and Facebook or anywhere, or you can send me an email too. If you have questions and you need more clarification on some of the things I've said, you can always drop it in the comment section below. And also, please follow this channel, because I'll be dropping this every other week. So lastly, if you find this video very useful, or if this video has been very impactful, so please kindly share with others, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, because this is what will prove to me that you enjoyed this video and you want me to do more of this in future posts.